Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crack rooted geodes in Abyss Roblox. So if you already got the rooted geodes, it is a mythical geode entwined by roots, pulsing with the hidden energy of the spirit roots. So if you want to crack it, you just need to bring it to Velia in the Forgotten Dome. So the rooted geodes can be found in um, the spirit roots. So let's just go to Velia first to crack it. Sorry. And after that, you just need to click on yes to open artifacts. Click on the rooted geode that you got. So I'm going to just crack one here. After that, you can just click on open, yes, and you need to wait for 5 minutes. But if you want to skip it, you can also use your star shards. I'm going to just skip it, click on yes, and I got one time. So one time artifacts, you'll see here the new artifacts that you got. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you on the next one.